Okay. Now in last lecture, we have discussed factorial program. Read value of n and display factorial of n. N factorial, this is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Like this, we'll go on up to n. That's why here we have taken less than equal to n. Now, one slight change I want to make here now. Initially value of r is 1. Answer is 1. Suppose value of n is 4. Suppose value of n is 4. So r is 1, answer equal to 1. R is less than 4. Yes, condition is satisfied. It will come here. Answer equal to answer into r. 1 into 1 is 1. So this is 1 into 1 is because r is 1 and answer is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 and that 1 is given to answer. So whenever it is a factorial program, you can start with 2, no problem. R equal to 2 because already answer is 1. More about this we will discuss at the end of this lecture. Now, last lecture I told you this program will give you answer up to 7 factorial perfectly. But if we give 8, value of n is 8 or more than 8, 8, 9, 10, 11 like this, then this won't generate any error, but this will give you wrong answer. The program which we have seen on Saturday, the program which we have seen on Saturday, that program which we have done last time, this program works up to 7 factorial perfectly. When you input value of n as a, this will give you wrong answer. But first of all, we will see why it gives wrong answer, and then we will see what is the solution for that particular problem. Now, if we take the declaration part, in declaration we write it as n, r, ans like this. We have these 3 variables n, r, and ans. So in declaration part, we declare 3 variables r, n, r, and ans. Now, whenever we declare any variable, integer variable, your compiler we allocates 2 bytes. Here we are considering Turbo C compiler working on DOS or working in Windows operating system. Okay. So we are considering integer is allocated 2 bytes of memory space. 2 bytes of memory space gets allocated for the integer variable to maintain a value into the RAM. 2 bytes in the sense 16 bits. 2 bytes means 16 bits. 1 bit can hold either value 0 or 1 as it is a binary value, or machine language value either 0 or 1 gets stored. So maximum value which we can store into the integer number or the number with 2 bytes is 65536, 2 raised to 16. Why 2? Because either we store 0 or 1. 2 bytes means 16. So 2 raised to 16, we can save maximum 65536 number. Now, number may be positive and number may be negative. So the value is, whenever we declare any variable as an integer, its value shuffles between -32767 to plus -32768 to plus 32767. So the value for any integer variable gets maintained within -32768 to plus 32767. Okay, if you make the addition, it comes as 65535, but 0 is considered a positive number, so it will consider here. So whenever you declare any variable as an integer variable, its value ranges between -32768 to plus 32767. याच्या पुढची व्हॅल्यू आली तर तो निगेटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू घ्यायला सुरुवात करतो. याची मागची व्हॅल्यू आली तर तो पॉझिटिव्ह घ्यायला सुरुवात करतो. म्हणजे 32767 सॉरी 767 त्याच्या पुढची व्हॅल्यू आली तर आपण काय कन्सिडर करणार आहे 32768. When we declare any variable as an integer, computer allocates 2 bytes of memory space. Okay, 2 bytes means 2 raised to 16. What we can store maximum number. हे 2 का घेतलेला आहे because it is 0 and 1. एका बिट मध्ये एक आपण 0 किंवा 1 सेव्ह करू शकतो. 16 का घेतलेला आहे because it is allocated 2 bytes. So maximum number which we can store is 65536. नंबर हा पॉझिटिव्ह पण असेल, नंबर हा निगेटिव्ह पण असेल. So जेव्हा आपण एखादा व्हेरिएबल इंटिजर म्हणून डिक्लेअर करतो, whenever we declare any variable as an integer, its value remains between -32768 to +32767. कोणताही व्हेरिएबल हा जर आपण इंटिजर डिक्लेअर करतो त्यावेळेला त्याची व्हॅल्यू ही -32768 to +32767 च असणार आहे कंपल्सरी. म्हणजे समजा आपल्या व्हेरिएबलची व्हॅल्यू 32764 असेल, त्याच्यामध्ये एक ऍड करा, काय होणार आहे 32767 सॉरी 5. त्याच्यामध्ये एक ऍड करा 32766 सॉरी, त्याच्यामध्ये एक ऍड करा 32767. याच्यामध्ये एक ऍड करा 32768. परंतु 8 या रेंजच्या पुढे आहे त्यामुळे ही व्हॅल्यू कन्वर्ट केली जाते आणि ही निगेटिव्ह पासून घ्यायला सुरुवात करतो. तो -32768. याच्या पुढची व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे -32767. याच्या पुढची व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे -32766. लाईक दिस इट विल गो ऑन कॅल्क्युलेट बिकॉज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ इंटिजर नंबर दिस इज अ लिमिटेशन -32768 to +32767. So 7 factorial is 5040. So this works. But when it is 8 factorial, its value is 40320. ये 8 factorial, which is not in this range. So your compiler adjusts this value within this. तो कुठेतरी value adjust करेल, and then it gives you the answer. So your answer is wrong. So it won't give you any error. 8 factorial is 40320. 8 factorial means 7 factorial multiplied by 8. 7 factorial is 5040 multiplied by 8 is 40320. परंतु हे ते रेंजच्या बाहेर जातात. So it will try to keep this value within a range. That's why it gives you wrong answer. So if you want to store value more than this, you have to declare variable as a long. You can declare as a long int. Instead of int now, declare it as a long int. And here, instead of %d, we have to use %nd now. Now this will give you up to 14 factorial perfectly. 14 पर्यंत बरोबर देईल. 15 फॅक्टोरियल परत प्रॉब्लेम येणार आहे कारण परत तो रेंजचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. त्याला आपण काही करू शकत नाही. सी मध्ये त्याला काही करू शकत नाही. जावा डॉटमध्ये ते पॉसिबल आहे, सी मध्ये काही ते पॉसिबल नाही. So to get more factorial up to 14 factorial, we have to declare answer as a long int. Long int, it gives you 4 bytes. Integer gives 2 bytes, long gives 4 bytes. So maximum value is 2 raised to 32. Half positive, half negative. Okay. That's why if we declare variable as integer, it is not possible to calculate 8 factorial. To get 8 factorial, instead of declaring int as an integer, we have to declare this as a long int. And then this problem will be solved. Instead of d, we use %nd. Clear? Any problem, बाळांनो? Clear झालं का? Yes. चॅटिंग वर सांगा काहीतरी येस नो ऐकू येतं ना? ठीक आहे, ओके. Now we will move to the next program. Now I want to write a program to read value for x and n. I want to read two numbers. So 2% D I am giving. I am giving 2% D to read value of x and n. And I want to find out x raised to n. I want to find out x raised to n. Now what is x raised to n? X raised to n is nothing but x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x n times. X raised to n is nothing but x into x into x into x n times. Like 2 raised to 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. 4 raised to 6 to 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So x raised to n is x into x into x into n up to n. This is clear? Very simple logic. Now, how this gets solved? First of all, your compiler solve. Okay, I will modify this. I will now consider as 2 raised to 3 is equal to 1 into 2 into 2 into 2. Like this. 4 raised to 6 is 1 into 4 into, because multiplying anything with 1, it doesn't make any difference. So similarly, this is 1 into x into x into x. Because we need this in programming. Mathematics in mathematics this is correct. But in programming we need 1. That's why I have taken here 1. Now, check what happens. How we calculate this. First of all, we will multiply x into 2. Whatever result, then again it gets multiplied by 2. Whatever result, again it gets multiplied by 2. Similarly here, 1 into 4. Whatever result, it gets multiplied by 4. Whatever result, it gets multiplied by 4. Whatever result, it gets multiplied by 4. Like this it goes on. जैसे क्या हो रहा है 1 into x, then again multiply by x, then again multiply by x, then again multiply by x. Like this, every time we have to multiply by x 10 times. Okay, so something multiply by x, we want to repeat it n times. So to repeat anything n times, we use for r equal to 1, r is less than equal to n, r plus plus. So already we have done this. N factorial means we have to multiply 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to n times. Like addition of 1 to 10 numbers, like this. So similarly, we have to execute this n times. Okay, and multiply by this. Okay, after multiplying this, so suppose I am taking here answer. After multiplying x, the new result, next time we have to consider for next multiplication. हा जो काय रिझल्ट येईल त्याला x ने मल्टिप्लाय होणं गरजेचं आहे. तो जो काय रिझल्ट येईल त्याला x ने मल्टिप्लाय करणं गरजेचं आहे. तो काय रिझल्ट येईल त्याला x ने मल्टिप्लाय करणं गरजेचं आहे. So I am taking this as a answer equal to answer into x. Now, if you take execution of the program, if you consider value of x as 2 and n as 5, you declare answer as 1. So your answer is 1. R is 1. Now, forget this now. Okay. So R is equal to 1. R is less than n. Yes, condition is satisfied. Answer equal to answer into x. Value of answer is 1. x is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. So new value of answer is 2. R plus plus, value of R becomes 2. Less than equal to n? Yes, less than equal to n. Answer equal to answer into x. 2 into 2 is 4. New value is given to answer. So answer becomes 4. R plus plus, value of R becomes 3. Less than equal to n? Yes. Answer equal to answer into x. So answer into x is 2 into 4 is 8. That will be the new value of answer. So answer becomes 8. R plus plus, value of R becomes 4. Less than equal to n? Yes. Answer equal to answer into x. What the value of answer? 8. 8 into 2 is 16. That will be the new value of answer. So answer becomes 16. R plus plus, R becomes 5. Less than equal to n? Yes, it is equal to n. Answer equal to answer into x. 4 into 2 into 16 is 32. R plus plus 6 less than equal to loop n? No, it will come out of the loop. And then we can give here result equal to percentage D answer. So this program reads value of x and n from a keyboard and it gives you x raised to n divided by n factorial. Sorry, x raised to n. This gives you x raised to n. Read value of x and display x raised to n divided by n factorial. समजून घ्या लॉजिक काय आहे, खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे. म्हणजे साइन सिरीज कोसाइन सिरीज जे आहेत प्रोग्राम सिरीज जे आहेत त्या सिरीज सॉल्व करण्यासाठी ही लॉजिक उपयोगी पडणार आहे. क्लियर? Any problem? I don't think so that there will be any problem. Problem काही असेल असं मला वाटत नाही. Okay, now हा प्रोग्राम काय करणार आहे? read value of x and n and print the result. तो रिझल्ट काय आहे बघा समोर. काय असणार आहे प्रोग्राम हा? व्हॉट इज द यूज ऑफ द प्रोग्राम? पी मध्ये काय असणार आहे? इफ यू कन्सिडर हियर नाउ value of x as 3 and n as 4, what will be the value of p and what will be the value of f? Input value for x and n, scan it using blinking cursor. You have to input two numbers. First number is for x, second number is for n. If we input value of x as 3 and n as 4, what will be the value of p and f and what will be the value of answer? Forget about answer. What will be the value of p and f? p and f ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार? पट करा. विनय शाळांनी सांगितलेलं आहे. आणखीन p is equal to 81, f is equal to 24. Somebody has given a value. p is equal to 81. And what about f? Aditya, f की value काय? Okay. Here I have given 3 expressions as a part of expression 1. This works. Okay. This is possible. So here r is 1, p is 1, f is equal to 1. R is less than equal to n. Yes, r is less than equal to n. Curly bracket. P equal to p into x. That is 1 into 3 is 3, and this is the new value of p. So p becomes 3. F equal to f into r. Value of f is 1. R is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Curly bracket. Now we want to execute two statements. That's why curly bracket is given. In previous examples, curly bracket was not given because we want to execute a single statement. But now we want to execute two statements. That's why curly bracket is given. R plus plus. Value of r becomes 2. Less than equal to n. Yes, it is less than equal to n. P equal to p into x. 3 into 3. P is 3, x is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. And that will be new value of p. So p becomes 9. F equal to f into r. And value of f is 1. R is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. R plus plus. Value of r becomes 3. Less than equal to n? Yes, because n is 4. It is less than. P equal to p into x. Value of p is 9 into x3 is 27. F equal to f into r. F is 2, r is 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Curly bracket r plus plus. Value of r becomes 4. Less than equal to n? Yes. Curly bracket p equal to p into x. So 27 into 3 is 81, which gives the new value of p. F equal to f into r. 6 into 4 is 24. R plus plus 5. Less than equal to n? No, because n is 4. It will come out of the loop. It will calculate answer as 81 divided by 24. And that will give you the result. But if we consider this p is nothing but x raised to n, and this f is nothing but n factorial, and this value is nothing but x raised to n divided by n factorial. So this program reads value of x and n from keyboard and it displays x raised to n divided by n factorial. बघा समजते का? So read value of x and n and calculate and print x raised to n divided by n factorial. Read value of x and n and calculate and print x raised to n divided by n factorial. चेक करा प्रोग्राम समजतो का सर्वांनी. प्रत्येक प्रोग्राम समजणं गरजेचं आहे. प्रत्येक प्रोग्राम समजणं गरजेचं आहे. Clear? Now same program I will modify. No changes. याचा अर्थ काय आहे? मगाची या दोन स्टेटमेंट लूपच्या बाहेर होत्या. मगाची या दोन स्टेटमेंट लूपच्या बाहेर होत्या. आता त्या लूप मध्ये टाकले काय येईल बघा. We'll get 4 answer. No doubt we will get 4 answer because value of n is 4. We will get 4 answers. Result equal to some value. But what that value is representing? मगाशी जसं म्हटलं आपण in previous example x answer is nothing but x raised to n divided by n factorial. In this case it is trying to print value of answer. But what will be the value present in answer? Answer मध्ये value काय असणार आहे or how it is going to come? Think on this. Try this. Try करा. एक 2 मिनिटात पाणी फिरवतो पण ट्राय करा. Yes. काय होणार आहे त्यामध्ये आता काय होणार आहे यामध्ये आता now already you know the for loop, how for loop works. Now this is just to build your logic. This question I am taking just to build your logics, because right now from my side you know the for loop, how for is working. आता तुमच्या डोक्यात फिक्स बसलेला आहे की for loop कसा रन होतो. आता for loop आपण वेगवेगळे एक्झाम्पल्स घ्यालोय जस्ट लॉजिक बिल्डिंग साठी. Which is important. Logic building is important. कोणाला कळेना काय होणार आहे ना Result is 1.0, 3.0. Yes, go ahead. Okay. Now, stop. थांबा. इकडे लक्ष द्या. R is 1. P is 1. F is 1. R is less than equal to X? Yes. P equal to P into X. So 1 into 3 is 3. F equal to F into R. 1 into 1 is 1. Answer equal to, now we will every time we will get answer. Answer equal to P by F, flow. So 3.0 divided by 1 is 3.0. Print F result equal to, so this gives you result equal to 3.0. R plus plus, value of R becomes 2. Less than equal to N, yes, P equal to P into X. 3 into 3 is 9. Less than equal to N, yes, curly bracket. Sorry. R plus plus is 2, less than equal to N, yes, P equal to P into X. 3 into 3 is 9. F equal to F into R. 1 into 2 is 2. Answer equal to 9 by 2. So this is 4.5. So this gives you result as 4.5. R plus plus, value of R becomes 3. Less than N, yes. 9 into 3 is 27. 2 into 3 is 6. So 26, 27 divided by 6. 4.5 something, whatever it is. Like this it will go on. Now, this is nothing but 3 divided by 1, which is nothing but 3 raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial. If you check this 4.05, this is nothing but 9 divided by 2. So this is nothing but 3 raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial. If you check this is nothing but 27 divided by 6. So this is nothing but 3 raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial. Are you getting me? कळतंय हे काय होतं? So this program gives you output as x raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial. Next time it gives you x raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial. Next time it gives you x raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial. Next time it gives you x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. Like this it gives you x raised to n divided by n factorial. This is giving result. Every time it is giving result. Good. बराच आपण आन्सर दिलेला आहे. Are you getting this? समजलं काय काय केलं फक्त 30 सेकंड आत वेळ टाकल्यामुळे प्रत्येक फॉर लूपला ते एक्झिक्यूट होणार. Now if I modify this as give result as 0. Now what will happen? आता काय होईल? RES, what RES will represent now? नेत्रा, विनय आन्सर दिलेला आहे त्यांनी. आदित्य, ठीक है. So answer will be 15.3. Answer will be 15.3. But how it comes? How it is derived? Which is nothing but now your RES nothing but x raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial plus x raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial plus x raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. Like this, it will go up to x raised to n divided by n factorial. Clear? What this program is? This program reads value of x and n, and it gives you answer of this series: x raised to n divided by 1 factorial plus x raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial. Like this, x raised to n divided by n factorial. Clear? Any doubt in this? कोणाला डाउट आहे का? ठीक आहे. आज जर का प्रोग्राम कळाला असेल तर मला काय करायचं बघा. x raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial minus x raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial plus x raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial minus x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. Like this I want to एक वैल्यू प्लस करायचे, एक वैल्यू माइनस करायचे, फिर प्लस करायचे, परत माइनस करायचे, प्लस माइनस I want to do. क्या आ रही है? इसलिए पहले 0 के लिए. Now how we will do this? Alternate plus minus. लॉजिक काय करणार? What will be the logic? What will be the logic? Alternately, we have to do plus minus. First value plus, next minus, next plus, next minus, next plus, next minus. Like this we have to go. Now when it is plus, when this number is odd. When this number is odd, we want to make addition. And when this number is even, we want to make subtraction, which is nothing but value of r. So this statement we can modify as, if value of r is odd, add the number, add the result. If value of r is even, then subtract it. To check the number is even or odd, what we can do is, R mod 2. This is mod. To check whether any number is even or odd. That number mod 2 we do. If this is equal to 0 or if this is now equal to 1, that means number is odd. Odd means we have to add it. And if this condition is not satisfied, that means this number is even. We have to subtract it. So instead of this statement, we have to write it like this. Got it? Alternately, we have to add, subtract, add, subtract, add, subtract. And to do it alternately, we can take help of R. Even odd, even odd. Because R is also even or odd, alternate. Now, take the program for Fibonacci series. The program for Fibonacci series. Number 1 is 0. Number 2 is 1. And next number is addition of first two numbers. So what is Fibonacci series? 0 and 1. First two numbers are fixed. Then next number is addition of first two. 0 and 1 is 1. Next number is addition of previous two. That is 1 plus 1, 2. Next number is addition of first two. That is 3. Next number is addition of previous two. That is 5. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. I think this is the Fibonacci series. Initially two numbers are fixed, 0 and 1. And then initial number is 0 and 1. Then next number n3 is n1 plus n2. Next time, take this number. Your n1 becomes 1, n2 becomes 2, and n3 becomes 1 plus 2 as 3. Next time, your n1 becomes 2, n2 becomes n1 becomes 2, n2 becomes 3, and n3 becomes 2 plus 3 is 5. Next time, your n1 becomes n2, that is 3, n2 is 5, and then n3 is 3 plus 5. So check this. This number comes here, and this number comes here. Then addition. After addition, this number comes here, this number comes here. Like this it is repeating again and again. So this is repeating. How it is repeating? n1 is 0, n2 is 1, and then n3 is n1 plus n2. Next time what will happen? Your n1 is nothing but n2, n2 is nothing but n3, and N3 is nothing but N1 plus N2. Check this. This is happening here. Next time, N1 will become N2, N2 will become N3, and N3 will become N1 plus N2. N1. Initially, this is N1, this is N2, and this is N3. Formula for N3 is N1 plus N2. Next time, this is become N1, this becomes N2, and this becomes N3 now. Because next number is addition of first two. So N3 is nothing but N1 plus N2. Next time, this becomes N1, this becomes N2, and this becomes N3. N3 is nothing but N1 plus N2. Next time, this becomes N1, this becomes N2, and this becomes N3. So how it becomes? It is nothing but assign the value. N2 is N1, N3 is N2. Then calculate N3 as N1 plus N2. Next time, N2 becomes N1, N3 becomes N2. Again, new N3 is N1 plus N2. Like this, we have to repeat. You are getting this? And then here, initially, we have to print all the numbers because initially we need all the three numbers. And next time, just we have to add next number, whatever next number. So we are adding next number. Initially we need all the three numbers. And next time, just go on printing next number. Now try to convert this using looping as a homework. Try to convert this as a using looping as a homework. So today we will stop here. Tomorrow we will start with next looping, that is while loop. Tomorrow we will focus on while and do while. So today we will stop here only. You try this, and then we will discuss on this tomorrow. And then we will start with while and do while tomorrow. Thank you.